Welcome to McGeeks Mechatronics. I'm Anand Saraswat, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to use this face shield for the first time. So there is a procedure to use this face shield. If you have purchased this face shield, so please follow this procedure for a proper use of this face shield. So here you can see that in the both right and left of the face shield there are two visible lines. So first of all we have to use this some type of flat surface tool. Maybe you can use a scale or anything like that. So just put the scale like this and bend this portion of face shield at around 70 to 80 degree, or maybe you can bend it up to 90 degree. Similarly, on the left side of this face shield, do the same thing and bend the left portion of this face shield up to 90 degrees. So let's see. Now you can see this portion of this face shield has been bended inwardly. Now just peel off the cover of this face shield on both sides. So you can see this face shield is covered from both front and back side for a safety purpose. So just peel off the covering. Now this is ready to use. So just wear this face shield and adjust this portion as per your face. So it will be comfortable. And if you wear this face shield like that, so you can see that this portion and this portion of the face is covered. So it will protect from front as well as from the both sides.